The LG V20 user here, and today I will be showing you guys how to download Fortnite on your Android device. So I'm on the Epic Games website here, and you guys will need to download Fortnite from the Epic Games website because it's not in the Play Store, so do keep that in mind. So it says here, Fortnite Battle Royale on Android, same gameplay, same map, same weekly updates. Then download and install Fortnite through your browser. So all you do is hit get started here. And I'll say important for you download, you must do the following. Go to your phone settings and check unknown sources. It says that this is necessary to install any app from outside the Play Store. Of course, Fortnite is not in the Play Store. You guys will need to check unknown sources. And as soon as you guys get done installing Fortnite on your phone, uncheck unknown sources immediately. So it says see you on the battle bus, and all you do is hit download, and you guys will be prompted to download the Fortnite installer. You download that, open that, and then it will download the Fortnite game for you. So follow the steps on that. So yeah, that's how you guys download Fortnite on your Android device. So pretty simple. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.